Indian economy, which was for a long time, as all of us know, it was an elephant. It wasn't performing well. But because of great people like Dr. Manmohan Singh and late P.V. Narasimha Rao, 1991 reforms, the elephant started dancing. Okay, we were all very joyous. The world, which dismissed us, saying that it's a nation of rope tricks basically, and very primitive culture, suddenly realized the greatness of India, which was a great nation. Even Westerners didn't know how to wear clothes. We were a great nation. Then the realization started coming. We were growing at 8%, 9% growth rates. But unfortunately or fortunately, last few years again we slowed down. Now we have come down to 5%, around 5% growth rate. Why I mention this particular thing is that actually, see, there is one sector of the economy, the building sector, which is not getting its due importance. Now it's time that actually the building sector, the builders, contribute to the economic growth of the country. They realize the full potential. There is tremendous potential with the builders. One thing is, there are a lot of misapprehensions, not only in the bureaucracy, but even in general public. It is right time that actually see Mr. Shekhar Reddy became the president of CREDAI, which basically represents the builders of this country. Okay, it's the need of the hour. Okay. The people also, from the consumer's point of view, I'm talking about. It happened, of course, all over the world historically, always, and see, when the country is, the economy is growing naturally, see, slowly, the credibility gets built up about the builders. But it's now time that builders, of course, already code of conduct is in place. The code of conduct is strictly implemented. The moment any Indian builder builds any kind of dwelling, okay, people without hesitation should have confidence and faith that yes, it is absolutely livable. I don't have to bother about it. Okay, I can straight away buy it, okay, and get into that particular thing. That confidence, I hope, under the stewardship of Mr. Shekhar Reddy and his team, okay, at the national level and at all levels, actually, see, they achieve this. That's very important. That's how you can play a very important role and think over innovative financing mechanisms. There is a lot of money available in the world, actually. Unfortunately, that we are not able to tap the money. See, FDIs, whatever FDIs, the flows, etc., which were flowing in, okay, are not sufficient. There's much more money available. Trillions and trillions of dollars are available in the world's economy, actually. See, we should be able to attract at least a fraction of that amount into the Indian building sector, okay. Once you are able to get that, actually, see, imagine the kind of growth rates, actually, see, what Dr. Manmohan Singh always dreams about, actually, see, we should be able to grow in double-digit growth rate. If we do that for the next 1 or 2 decades, what Indian potential is fully, because the demographic dividend of whatever things people talk about, actually, see, nobody can deny the rightful place for India. India has to become, if not number 1 in the world by 2050, at least number 2. Okay, if we can put our act together, India can overtake China. Otherwise, China will be number 1 in the world and will be number 2 in the world. Actually, it all depends on that. But for that, again and again, I mentioned that every sector of the economy will have to play its rightful role, and the builders will have to play the rightful role. And Mr. Shekhar Reddy is the right person. A lot of people have talked about the great qualities of Mr. Shekhar Reddy. Shekhar Reddy, I know him. I've known him for the last many years. He is one person who is totally committed to the cause, which his great father was one person. First, I was very impressed the kind of work he had done in forestry, and Shekhar Reddy got the same traits, same legacy. He has been contributing to the building community, and he is trying to establish the credibility of the builders community. That's the most important thing. And I'm pretty sure, I don't want to take much of your time, I'm pretty sure, because especially we know, one is at the national level, the second thing, last few years, unfortunately or fortunately, the reputation of the state and the reputation of Hyderabad is going down and down, okay? Because of the untiring efforts of people like Mr. Shekhar Reddy, now you know pretty well, again, last few months, at least in the last 6 months, slowly the reputation of Hyderabad is picking up. Hyderabad is back in the reckoning, okay, in the international arena. All of us are trying to contribute to that particular thing. I'm pretty confident that under the stewardship of Mr. Shekhar Reddy, the Hyderabad city will do well, state will do well, and at the national level, CREDAI will definitely establish its credentials, and the builder community will make a great contribution to this country.